In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for B2B content topics fast and easy. As we dive into this, you'll discover how effectively Google Trends can be used to uncover trends and insights to enhance your B2B content strategy. Let's get started. First things first, you want to head over to Google Trends. Open your preferred web browser and type Google Trends into the search bar. Hit Enter, and you should see Google Trends as the first search result. Click on this link, and you'll land on the Google Trends homepage, a hub of valuable information ready for you to explore. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see an option labeled Explore. Clicking on Explore will take you to a page where you can begin your deep dive into industry-specific trends. Now it's time to start your search with broad B2B-related keywords. Think of terms that are relevant to your field. Words like digital marketing, B2B SaaS, supply chain management, business software, or enterprise solutions. Type one of these terms into the search bar and press Enter to view a trend graph. This graph will give you a visual sense of how interest in this topic has evolved over time, which is incredibly useful when planning your content calendar. To tailor this data to your needs, it's important to set your location and time range. At the top of the chart, you can specify the region or country you're targeting. This is crucial for regional marketing strategies. Additionally, you can set the time frame to get a sense of trends either over the past year or the past 5 years, helping you spot both recent developments and long-term patterns. Once you've set the appropriate criteria, you'll want to analyze interest by region. Google Trends breaks down interest based on geographical location, so you can see where your chosen topics are most popular. This insight can be invaluable for targeting your content geographically or for designing account-based marketing campaigns. Scrolling further down the page, you'll find sections on related topics and related queries. Here, you should focus on terms marked as rising or breakout, as they indicate subjects experiencing a surge in interest. Examples might include emerging trends like remote work tools, AI in marketing, or B2B lead generation software. Lastly, to broaden your insights, Google Trends allows you to compare multiple B2B topics. Click the plus compare button to add more keywords. You might compare terms like B2B marketing versus B2B sales, or CRM software against marketing automation software. This comparison will help you understand which topics are currently gaining traction and where they might be best leveraged in your content strategy. And that wraps up our guide on how to use Google Trends for identifying B2B content topics quickly and efficiently. I hope you find this tool as invaluable as many marketers do when driving your content strategy forward. Thanks for watching, and good luck crafting compelling, data-driven content.